Hi, my name is Kwame. I'm a developer ambassador here at Algorand, and this is the check-in for the first week of the bounty hack for Reach. And I've been working on interfaces, so I'm just going to show you guys what I've been working on. So what you can see here is that a continuation of the tutorials that I've been building, the rock, paper, scissors, and now we have the interface for it. So you can select on Reach, and you can see here that it's draw, and then we can select lizards. We have kind of just like this, very simplified game interface for it here. It is Reach Spot Lizards, but it is the rock, paper, scissors game mechanic and the UI for it. So some decentralized user experience and user interface for the first check-in of the bounty hack. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.